Welcome to our comprehensive review of the 2025 Tata Nano. In this video, we explore the exciting upgrades and features that make the Nano a modern marvel of compact car design. Whether you're considering it as a city commuter or just curious about the latest developments in the automotive world, this video will give you an in-depth look at everything you need to know. Exterior, a fresh take on a classic ***. The 2025 Tata Nano features a refreshed, modernized exterior design. With sleek, aerodynamic lines, an updated front grille, and sharper headlights, the Nano now offers a more dynamic and stylish presence on the road. The compact dimensions ensure city maneuverability, while new color options and bold styling details add to its appeal. Performance, efficiency meets power ***. Under the hood, the 2025 Nano boasts an efficient yet surprisingly powerful engine designed for optimal city driving. With improved fuel efficiency and a smooth, responsive driving experience, this compact car is perfect for urban environments. The engine has been refined to offer better acceleration while keeping emissions and fuel consumption low. Technology, smart features for a modern drive ***. The 2025 Tata Nano is equipped with cutting-edge technology designed to elevate your driving experience. From an advanced infotainment system with connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to smart safety features such as ABS, airbags, and a reverse parking sensor, the Nano brings tech-forward solutions to an affordable price point. Additionally, the car features a digital instrument cluster that provides essential driving information at a glance. Comfort, a new standard in city cars ***. Despite its compact size, the 2025 Tata Nano surprises with its interior comfort. Thoughtfully designed seats with premium upholstery, improved ergonomics, and extra space in the cabin make it comfortable for both short and long drives. Enhanced insulation ensures a quieter ride, while modern climate control options guarantee a pleasant environment inside, no matter the weather outside. Conclusion, a new era for compact cars ***. The 2025 Tata Nano is no longer just a budget-friendly vehicle. It's a stylish, efficient, and feature-rich car that's ready to take on the future. With a perfect blend of modern exterior design, powerful yet efficient performance, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional comfort, the Nano is a standout in the compact car market. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking for a reliable city car, the 2025 Tata Nano is a smart choice that meets all your needs. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay up to date with all the latest in automotive technology, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts on the 2025 Tata Nano in the comments below.